Hello friends, today's topic is about code rule. There are 12 sets of code rules, and code rule was proposed by Eager F. Code, a pioneer of the relational model for database, designed to define what is required from a database management system in order for it to be considered a relational, that is RDBMS. Rule 0, that is foundational rule. The system must qualify as a relational, as a database, and as a management system. For a system to qualify as a relational database system RDBMS, that system must be use its relational facility exclusively. That means externally to manage the database. Rule number 1, the information rule. All information in the database is to be present in one and one way, namely by value in column, position with row or table. Rule 2, the guarantee access rule. All data must be accessible. This rule is essential, a restatement of fundamental requirement for primary key. It is said that every individual scalar value in the database must be logically addressable by specific name of containing table, the name of containing column, and a primary key value of the containing row. Rule 3, systematic treatment of null value. The DBMS must allow each field to remain null or empty. Specifically, if must support a representation of missing information and inapplicable information that is systematic, distinct from all regular values, for example distinct from 0 or any other number. In this case of numeric values and independent of data type, it is also implied that such representation must be manipulated by DBMS in a systematic way. Rule 4, active online catalog based on relational model. The system must support an online inline relational catalog that is accessible to authorized user by means of their regular query language, for example SQL. That is, user must be able to access the database structure catalog using the same query language that they use to access the database data. Rule 5, the comprehensive data sublanguage rule. The system must support at least one relational language that has a linear syntax, can be used both in activity and within application program, support data definition operation including view definition, data manipulation operation, update as well as retrieval, security and integrity constraint and transaction management operation, begin, commit and rollback. Rule 6, the view updating rule. All views that are theoretically updated must be updatable by the system. Rule 7, high level insert, update and delete. The system must support set at a time, insert, update and delete operation. This means that data can be retrieved from a relational data set in sets constructed of data from multiple rows and or multiple tables. This rule states that insert, update and delete operations should be supported for any retrievable set rather than just for a single row in a single table. Rule 8, physical data independency. Changes to the physical level, how the data is stored, whether it array or linked list, must not require a change to an application based on the structure. Rule 9, logical data independence. Changes to the logic level, tables, columns and so on, must not require a change to an application Based on the structure, logical data independence is more difficult to achieve than physical independence. Rule 10. Integrity independence. Integrity constraints must be specified separately from application program and stored in the catalog. It must be possible to change such constraint as and when appropriate without unnecessarily affecting existing application. Rule 11. Distribution independence. The distribution of proportion of the database to various locations should be invisible to user of the database. Existing application should continue to operate successfully. When a disturbed version of the TVMS is first introduced and when existing distributed data are redistributed around the system. Rule 12 and the last rule, the non-subversion rule. If the system provides a lower level interface, then that interface cannot be used to subvert the system, for example bypassing a relational security or integrity constraint. Thank you.